Welcome to Kettle Labs How To series. Today, we'll demonstrate how to integrate Bitrix24 with payment services. Let's get started. To integrate Bitrix24 with payment services, follow these steps carefully. First, log into your Bitrix24 account using your email ID and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Marketplace by searching for Market in the search bar and selecting the Market tab. This will redirect you to the Bitrix24 Marketplace. Search for Payment or Payment Integration in the search bar to find various options, and for this tutorial, we will use Stripe integration. Click on the Install button, configure the required settings in the pop-up window, and proceed with the installation. After the installation is complete, click Open App and then select Finish to finalize the setup. Next, proceed with Stripe integration within Bitrix24 CRM, which involves a two-step process: authorization and payment methods. For authorization, click Get Your Secret Key, which redirects to Stripe account. If you do not have an account, create one first. Navigate to the Developers section, select API Keys. Then copy your secret key. Return to Bitrix24. Paste the secret key into the designated box in Bitrix24. Select your country from the available options. Carefully review and check all the required settings to ensure proper configuration, and click Save to complete and finalize the authorization process. Next, configure payment methods by clicking on the Configure option. Add a relevant description, review other available settings, and select all 4 payment options to ensure complete Stripe integration. Click Save to apply the settings. Once integrated, test the functionality by searching for Invoices in the bar and selecting it. Click on the Settings icon and choose Invoice, Old Version. Create a new invoice by entering the necessary details like subject name, payer information. Select the product from your list of available items. Specify the price for the selected product, and click on Save. Once the invoice is created, go to the Actions tab and select Invoice Link. Copy the link and open it in a new tab. Choose the card payment option. Click on the Pay button. And to complete the payment process, enter the required details, which include your email address and card information. After filling in all the details, click Pay to complete the transaction. To verify the transaction, log into your Stripe account and navigate to the Transactions section. Here, you can review all transaction records. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Bitrix. Thanks for watching.